Hey Niklas, nice to see you on the CES. The first time faytech is on the CES 2016. I have to say the fair is really mind-blowing. I feel like you had also already come.
This is the 10th time I've been here.
Oh, okay. My
CES is awesome.
Yeah, it's really crazy. Serious, many good contacts, and I'm really proud of the product. I said it already last time, I think, on the Hong Kong trade show. And I just go into the new products. Happy that they take your video from the Hong Kong trade show. Thanks for coming so often by our booth. It's yeah, you see here our standard monitors, but this is really very cool. The booth this time is a little bit different. Oh, we can make a video. Let us make a photo with each other. So you are also on the video. It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. This one is very popular in New York pubs. Yeah. And the people can make their nice scribbles and share it. And really my partner, that's MetroClick, who do the application design. They have now over 1,000 photos making every day and shared via Facebook and Twitter and so on. And that shows this is our new design, 32-inch Capacitive touch kiosk.
It's a beautiful app.
It's a beautiful app, and I think it's a really beautiful kiosk. And
what does it do? Like social marketing for the pubs, and what does it do?
Well, now I really should get my partners in, but I say it surely. They are New York-based application programmers, MetroClick, and they really made a lot of awesome apps for cutting centers. We see later a hotel application. We're in the Marriott, in the Dream Hotel. So really in New York we have already quite a lot of performance. You saw on the Hong Kong trade show already this one now running, like what I told you, you can call the resident and then he can decide, okay, shall you open the door or not? What is really mind-blowing, and I want to say this is the best Capacitive touch panel on the CES. We have an 84-inch 4K optical bonded touch panel Capacitive, and really see from the corner, the picture is really on the front, and it was done by German engineers, and really I think this quality can be just now done by German engineers.
This is insane. So this is touch.
This is touch, 32 multi-points. And okay, this is a museum application also done by the MetroClick guys, and it's not really for the multi-touch, but you see how fast it is. It's a nano self-structuring. Yeah.
Is this just a website? Or was it an app or?
Yeah, that's an. You go to the museum and then you can even say, okay, I want to buy this picture, and you can pick it up on the front. It's installed in the New York Museum.
So is that the gold product at faytech?
This is really now the absolute,
the best,
the highest,
the best, the best in the world.
The best in the world, probably. Serious. And we had several people there. They said we are better than the Microsoft Surface. So many who said that's the best product they've ever seen. And yeah, it is quite a tough
beautiful.
thing.
Can I touch it?
Something like sure, whatever you want.
This is awesome. Yeah. Beautiful 4K.
Thank you. Yeah.
Cool.
It retails here in the US around $15,000, and I think serious.
Yeah.
When you go with LG and Samsung at 4K, you pay the same price, but you don't have a touch. Here's our standard product portfolio. Again, go to the Hong Kong trade show. Something really nice we did for an Australian customer, a time attendance system with RFID and fingerprint reader, and also here for sure you have a very nice touch based on embedded devices. This is our embedded kernel. And now it comes really to something total world premiere new, and Robert from MetroClick will tell you more about it.
So who are you?
Hi, I'm Rob from MetroClick. We helped design, along with faytech, this floating shelf. So this is an interactive shelf that allows you to create touch zones for products. So as you pick up the product, it starts the information video about the device.
How does that work?
There's actually there's a Connect camera up here that allows you to create the 3D spacing zone. So this is a patented technology that as you create the zones, and you can have any number of products through the zones, to give the information to the customer right away as to what products he's looking at. But beyond that, even more so special is that it is capable of giving you all of the analytics.
So you touch the side of the furniture, basically?
This is one of our hot zones that brings up the analytics for the videos.
All right.
Sorry, let me get that up. There we go.
Yeah. So how does that work? Is it also using the camera, or is
Yeah.
what's something different?
The Analytics is basically a web-based API. It's all stored in the cloud. So as people come in and grab a product, you can see how long they held it, which one was grabbed first, which one is grabbed second, and so on and so forth. And you can actually see all of the analytics and data about your products. So you can see which ones are the most popular ones and stock them.
So how soon is this ready for shipping?
It's now shipping ready.
It's
At least
now
the
shipping?
hardware is finished. I don't know how well they are with the software. He can tell you.
So what's the status? What do you are you having some
We're
conversations here at CES?
We are talking to a lot of retailers about this. This is still in the prototype phase, and we're still working on optimizing the sensor, whether we're going to go with RFID or not, or we're going to keep with the Connect sensor. But once we have the optimized product, it'll be ready for shipping.
Can you talk a little bit about working with faytech? How's that?
Maybe Jesse could.
Probably, but we go better to Jesse. Jesse's our partner in New York. We met just shortly. We met the same time when you made the first video on our booth. We met also Jesse since 2012, and yeah, since then he's our representative in the United
Yes, we
States.
become the North American distributor for all faytech products. So we sell the whole line, and it's fun because we get to work with faytech directly to create a lot of custom projects. So right here you have our 55-inch kiosk that we're using for many different industries, one of which that we're showcasing here is what we just installed at the Marriott this week. It's the Marriott Marquis in San Diego, and our partner company MetroClick developed all the software. So just a couple of notes from it. We're pulling their live web feeds. You can do everything you would do on the web live on the kiosk, booking rooms, reservations, things of that sort. We gave them a custom content management system that they can upload all of the events that they want on a daily basis. We are showcasing the Hideaway, which is their proprietary spa program. Custom transportation, so we've worked with Google API to create a way for you to interact directly with the kiosk and then share it with your smartphone via email, SMS, or QR code. Then we also integrated a selfie application. So let's take a quick picture.
Photo bomb.
So we can share directly to Facebook and Twitter and send it to your phone to post on all social media outlets. And then weather. And then the main focus of this application was advertising. So all of this space on the top and the rotating space on the homepage is all advertising space.
Nice. So customers are being excited about the solutions here, right?
Yes.
Seriously, I mean that's really also for us now. You know, it normally, or especially when you see us on the CeBIT, we have a very strong industrial focus, with the Industry 4.0, industrial automatization. And now here I was really surprised when I came how many great applications they realized with their partners based on our hardware. So yeah, really happy to be here and have them as partners.
Partnership is very important to get things amazing, right? You have to get people with ideas and use your hardware, and then...
It's actually great because from working with faytech for years, we've learned kind of the ins and outs of the hardware. So us developing software, we know exactly what we're building it for. So it creates a seamless product rather than having a hardware company and a software company and trying to make it work. We actually develop products for the faytech hardware.
So when solutions like this show up, suddenly you can have like a huge market. Like suddenly you might be selling huge quantities, right?
Nicholas,
Is this how it works?
you will be the first to get the news and be invited. And you see it. You come yearly to our factory. So when it's next time double the size like it was last time, then you know it went well. But serious. Again, what I said at the beginning, I'm really surprised about the contacts here at the CES. I feel like we will be now yearly at the CES, and it makes incredibly much fun here.